How to wish birthday on Facebook timeline. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook and log into your account. Then go to Friends page and click on Write on their timeline. Then write Happy Birthday. You can also choose any background you want as you find these kind of backgrounds. Then click on tag people and tag the person, or if you want to tag more, simply click on tag more. You will find add image option, tagging option, adding emojis option, adding location option, and after doing all this, you can simply post. Click on top right corner of your screen to post and it will be posted on your friend's timeline. And that's how you wish birthday on Facebook timeline. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.